All right, I have put the app on my tablet and hung the lights. There are 20 lights and they're hanging right now. We just put them across the top of that, but you can do this indoors or outdoors. So when you do that, you'll want to make sure you've got it facing the direction that you want it to show to whoever your audience is, whether it's inside the house or outside. So here's the app on the tablet, and it's showing right now the Christmas tree is what I've chosen. These directional arrows down here at the bottom, you can have it go either left to right or right to left, up and down. So those options are shown on the app. And there are a lot of different choices that you can make. This is one of my favorite ones, is this one, the 4th of July. That cool. So there are a lot of different scenes that you can play and colors that you can do. And I've got this on a tablet, but you can run it from your phone or wherever you download the app. So the app itself is called Hello Fairy. And there are a lot of different options. You can play around here. Right now I'm on scene, but you can also work with the music and the dimmer and the settings. On this one, you can choose the DIY, and it will give you the option to create your own pattern. As you can choose the different colors that are down here and put them in the different positions that you'd like them to be. So I'll just cancel out of that. So that's another option that you have with this, instead of choosing something that's already up there. But it's got quite a variety of things that you can do with the ones that are already there as well. There are also some words. You can scroll through and do words on some of them. I'll just do Merry Christmas for now because that's the time of year we're at, but it would then scroll across. So if you were doing the words, you'd want to make sure that you had it facing whichever direction, either indoors or outdoors. Otherwise it's going to look backwards if you did it wrong. Hey, I want to show you this curtain light set that I got. It is indoor outdoor, and it comes with this remote. One thing I think is really cool, if you can see this, you can program it for different things like Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, 4th of July. So it has a lot of preset patterns that will come on it. You can also download the app and control it from your phone or tablet if you'd like to, instead of the remote control. Okay. So I will show you this all set up in a bit, but you can see there are the lights on it here. And these wires, when you set it up, you put it in a window, it can go indoors or outdoors. Let's see, both sides, there we go. So it comes with a bunch of these. They snap together and you can put they will hold the wires up. They've got this little hook that you could put on a ledge, or you could drive some nails or something like that to use them. So I will get this all set up and I will show you how it works when I do so.